Hi beautiful family, do you know that as simple as onion and Vaseline may be the solution to those your hair problems like slow hair growth, brittle hair, thinning hair breakage, hair fall, hair loss and so many of them. On today's video, I will show you how to use them to solve those your hair problems and double your hair growth. So if the video sound like what are interesting, keep on watching.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up
First thing is to be my onion. The onion I'm using is purple onion. If it's white onion you have available, you can as well make use of it. So what I'm trying to do now is to peel off the skin of the onion before we move to the next step. If your hair has been stuck at the same length or you are dealing with dry hair, brittle hair, this remedy is remedy that you don't need to skip. You don't need to joke with this recipe. This recipe is a solution to that your hair problem. Don't worry, I will show you the perfect way to use them to solve those your hair problem. Keep your hair super moisturized. With this remedy, say bye bye to that dry hair, that brittle hair, that slow hair growth. This recipe will help you to solve those problems if you can only pay close attention and be patient to see how to use it so that you can get all the good benefits with this recipe. After peeling my onion, I went off camera to wash it because it's very important you take that step of washing it to remove the dirty from the onion. So now what I'm doing now, I'm dicing the onion in a small cube so that it can be easy for me to blend it. But if you don't have blender, you can also use a grater to grate it, okay? So after blending it, I will need the help of bowl and sheaf cloth to strain out the onion juice. So what we need is the juice of the onion. So to get the onion juice, you need something that have very tiny hole to strain out the onion juice so that onion residues will not enter into the onion juice and that will stuck on your hair. So you will not like to experience that. So try to use something that have very tiny hole to avoid onion residues or particles to stuck on your hair, okay? So you can use your wig cap or cheek cloth or whatsoever is very tiny hole to follow this process. So after straining it, this is my onion juice I got so far. So next thing now is my blue sea Vaseline. I use 1 tablespoon of my blue sea Vaseline. I'm using original blue sea Vaseline. So if you have any other blue sea Vaseline, you can as well make use of it, okay? Do you know that Vaseline cannot mix without doing double boiling method? So to mix these two recipes together so that the Vaseline can melt and mix together with the onion juice, we need to do double boiling method. So I just pour in my hot water in the bowl and transfer the mixture containing my onion juice and my Vaseline on top of the hot water, and I'll keep on stirring it until the Vaseline melts, okay, to mix together with the onion juice. So this is the only way you can melt this Vaseline, okay, so that it will mix together with the onion juice. But please don't use direct heat with it. Just do it the same way I did mine now, okay? Just pour hot water in a bowl the same way I pour hot water in a bowl and put the bowl that contain your ingredients. Don't use direct heat to melt this, okay? I hope you're understanding me, so that the onion juice will not lose in potency and also the Vaseline also will not lose also in potency. Just mix them together this way, okay? Don't allow it to come in contact with direct heat. I hope you're understanding me. So if you want this recipe to work so well for you, follow this step. Okay, so after mixing it for a while, it took some minutes before this can really melt and mix together with the Vaseline. Okay, so after melting it, this is what I have so far. Okay,
I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay? Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look.
so the next thing now is to bring my spray bottle to transfer into my spray bottle. Okay, so you can use your applicator bottle, anything that you have access to, okay, to use it to apply it. You can use it. You can also use your cotton wool, okay, to damp it and be applying it on your hair. So anyone you have is good to go. So after transferring it, this is what I have so far. Okay, so I will demonstrate to you on how to apply this recipe to double your hair growth and solve those your hair problems. I'm applying it now on my mini twins. But if your hair is not in protective hairstyle, or your hair is in protective hairstyle, so part that you have access to your scalp, you can as well use it. Okay, but if you have any problem area you want to regrow, your hairline, your crown section, your both balls, anywhere you want to regrow, just your edges, any of your hair problems, anywhere is your challenge that you want to regrow, focus on that area. Okay, and once you're applying it, be massaging your scalp. Okay, it will help the product to work more wonders. This information is very, very important. Please pay close attention. While using this recipe, make sure that hot water is beside you. Okay, so once you apply, drop the spray bottle or the applicator bottle on top of the hot water so that it will keep this recipe warm, because if this recipe is cooled down, the Vaseline will solidify and it will separate from the onion and it will be very difficult for you to apply on your hair. So for you to get the good results, use hot water beside you, and once you apply, drop the container or the spray bottle or whatsoever you use to transfer your recipe, drop it back to the hot water so that it will keep the recipe warm until you finish applying it on your hair. I hope you're understanding me. Okay, this is the only way you can get the good results. And make sure that the Vaseline and the onion, they keep on mixing together until you finish applying this recipe on your hair. So focus on your problem area, your scalp. If you are dealing with slow hair growth, focus on your hair. Okay, so you can apply this recipe both on your scalp and also on the strand of your hair. This recipe will help to thicken strands of your hair. Okay, and for the scalp, it will help to treat any scalp issue you are having. Okay, and also promote that crazy hair growth. So you'll be wondering, are we going to wash it out or leave it in our hair? We are washing it out. Don't leave it on your hair. After applying it on your hair, massage your scalp, cover your hair for 1 hour. Don't leave it less than 1 hour. 1 hour is okay. Remove your shower cap or your whatever you use to cover your hair. Go and rinse your hair out. Use a mild shampoo to shampoo your hair. Shampoo your hair only once. Just apply little shampoo on your hair only once. Don't apply too much shampoo on your hair. Okay, so the reason of the shampoo, because of the Vaseline, so that the greasiness will not be too much on your hair. Just use little mild shampoo to shampoo it out a little bit, or let's not use too much Vaseline. So you can just use little Vaseline. So if you use little Vaseline, you don't need to use shampoo to shampoo your hair. You can only just use warm water to rinse your hair, because why do I recommend warm water? Warm water will help to melt out the Vaseline and also to help the Vaseline to go out of your hair more. After using warm water to rinse rinse the hair. You cannot use cold water to seal in your hair cuticles. I hope you're understanding me. But if you use too much Vaseline, use shampoo. Just apply shampoo once on your hair, okay? Use it to wash out the Vaseline. Do not apply too much shampoo on your hair. I hope you're understanding me, so that you get best result with this recipe. So how many times can you apply this recipe for that best result? Apply this recipe every day on your hair for straight 7 days, and you see a great change on your hair. Okay, so if you are using it every day for 7 days, I do not say you should be shampooing your hair every day for that 7 days. So you can only use small Vaseline with the onion, okay, so that you can only be rinsing your hair out. But if you are not using it every day, okay, you are using it maybe as your hair pre-poo or hair treatment. Whenever I want to shampoo your hair, can use it. So you can as well use it every of your wash day routine. But if you want to see that crazy faster results, use it every day for straight 7 days. And why use it every day for straight 7 days? Just use small Vaseline with the onion juice you are using. I hope you're understanding me. Do not shampoo your hair every day. Please make sure that you're understanding me, and make sure that you follow the instruction I gave to you, so that you get the best results with this recipe. Okay, storage. This recipe can also store it for 2 to 3 days in your refrigerator. Okay, once you want to use it, you can melt it and apply it on your hair. But if you are using it for only treatment, maybe you are using it only on your wash day routines, that means you cannot store it. Just prepare the one you can use once and finish it up. But if you are using it every day, you can prepare it and keep in the fridge, okay, and use it 2 to 3 times before you can prepare fresh batch. I hope you understand me. So if there's anything you don't understand, let me know in comment section below. I hope this video is very helpful. I hope you have seen how to use Vaseline and the onion to grow your hair. Guys, this recipe will grow your hair 10 times fast. That is no joke. I can't wait to get your feedback, because this is tested and trusted. I'm very 100% sure that this will grow your hair. If you follow the instruction I gave to you, you see how this will double your hair, solve those your hair problems. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If you have not liked, please make sure you like this video, okay? It really helped me a lot, and also it helped the growth of the channel. And if you have not subscribed, please do well to join the beautiful family, okay? Click on that subscribe button, and once you subscribe, make sure you turn on your post notification bell, so that YouTube will notify you whenever I'll drop amazing videos like this. Believe me, you will never regret joining this beautiful family. And also, please help me to share this video to your family and friends, so that they'll know how to use this simple recipe to double their hair growth and solve those their hair problems. Okay, I love you guys so much, but God love you more. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye.